And this is our Adobeopoly piece. It was created in celebration of Adobe's 40th birthday. The properties on the board represent 20 companies that Adobe has acquired over the years. And it's really just a fun way that you could educate an audience on all of those acquisitions. You can see all the companies on the board, and then as you roll the dice, you'll land on spaces. You can click in, learn more about it, acquire that property. So it's pretty cool. And our audience is very familiar with Adobe and their products. There's also certain Adobe files that can be imported into our design studio. So the content is still relevant, but with this piece, we're still not directly selling our product or service. And we also happened to get some nice PR out of this piece. It won the Webby Awards People's Voice winner for Best Individual Editorial Feature. And then we kind of use this in similar ways to the calculator. We use it on organic social, in our sales collateral, newsletter, and that ToFu email nurture as well.